welcome back to another video. Today, as you can see, we're back in the kitchen. This time we're gonna be making something I've never really made before, so it's gonna be extra fun, but I googled instructions for it, and I think I know what I'm doing. I think. Today we're gonna be making burgers, or sliders, or however big or small those things end up. I don't know, I've never actually made burgers out of actual ground beef. This isn't a tutorial about how to make burgers. Do not follow me, do not try to do anything that I do here, because I am not a professional, and I do not want to be responsible for anything you guys do because of that. You know all that stuff. First things first, wash your hands. I already did that like 3 times already, because I kind of made a mess before you guys got here. Now we're gonna get the ground beef out. I don't like working with meat. It makes me feel weird. Now I realize I should probably get a bowl to season my meat in. Raw meat makes me feel weird. Come on. Come on. Let's get in the bowl. We're gonna season this meat with my household's favorite all-purpose adobo. It's got everything in it. It's got salt, garlic, onion, black pepper, oregano, paprika, all that good stuff. It's the one-stop shop for seasoning. Also, my mom didn't exactly tell me what to season this with, so. Ooh. This feels weird. Love burgers, I love chicken. I just don't like to be the one that has to make them. I'm just gonna take a tiny piece. A tiny piece. Is this a tiny piece? I don't know. I'm gonna take a tiny little piece like this and I'm gonna roll it up into the meatball. Let me just make meatballs instead. I don't want to work the meat too much. It's like the experts say, it's not good to work the meat too much. But I want them to not fall apart when I put them in the pan. Alright, there we go. We have 6 ground beef meatballs, which will become burgers. I would like to have a different plate to flatten them a little bit, and then season them again, because I'm too afraid that they're not going to have enough seasoning. I want to be able to flatten these burgers. Apparently, I just gotta put a thumb in, and then they're not gonna be fat around the. Okay, we're gonna flatten them a bit. I'm gonna take a piece of cling wrap. Actually, I'm going to get several pieces of cling wrap. One. Ow! I just touched the painful part. Does cling wrap cling to itself? Probably. That's probably a bad idea. Well, I'm gonna take a meatball and put it down, and I'm gonna cover it with cling wrap, and I'm gonna push in the center. I'm afraid it's gonna come apart. Can I just go like that? Because it just seems better. There, we got like a mini patty thing going on. It's not perfect, but it's kind of breaking, but it looks kind of cute. Right, now what? Now what? This one came out ugly. This is not a circle. This is an issue. That is not a burger. That is a problem. Okay, they all fit. Nice. I am a genius. Some people do not like to add oil to the pan because the meat itself has its own fats and it'll just cook in its own fats and stuff. But I'm just so afraid it's gonna get stuck to this pan. And I love this pan. If you saw my last cooking video, I was too afraid to use this pan because it was my mom's new pan and I didn't know how to use it. But I've used it so much in the past 3 or 4 months that I love it. It's a great pan and I don't want anything bad to happen to it. So we're gonna take precautions. Alexa, how long should you cook a burger?
Typically, it takes 10 minutes to cook a burger.
Okay, maybe like a normal burger. These aren't normal burgers. These are my famous first-time burgers. Just adding a elbow to these things. See if my pan is hot yet. I think my pan might be hot, so I'm gonna put one down. If it's not, then first time mistake, right? Seems like they're hot to me. Actually smells pretty damn good, if I do say so myself. Oh, nice and brown. This one is falling apart. Don't give up on me. Don't give up on me. Let's try one of these babies out. Yeah, that's done. I think it has enough seasoning. I think I did a pretty good job. Special thanks to Adobo, putting together all those wonderful spices in one container. I like it. Wow, I am surprised. I'm not just lying because I made them. They're actually legitimately good. There you have it, boys and girls. Ground beef hamburgers. Thank you guys for joining me today. If you like it, make sure to check out more. And if you would like to see my other cooking video, the first one ever, you can find it at the end of this video. I'm just gonna put a link around there, but the video's ending. Thank you so much for watching again, and I'll see you guys in the next video. Bye!